In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run tax summary reports in Zoho Books. If you handle sales tax or VAT, this report is your quick snapshot of how much tax you collected and how much you owe for a specific period. It's perfect for preparing filings and double-checking that your transactions are aligned with your tax rules. Start on the main Zoho Books screen. Look to the left-hand pane. That's your navigation menu. Click Reports. You'll see reports grouped by function, and to keep things focused, select the Taxes category. This filters out everything else so you're only looking at tax-related reports, which makes finding the right one much faster. Next, click Tax Summary to open the report. The tax summary brings together taxable sales and purchases, the tax amounts applied, and your resulting liability for the period you're reviewing. It relies on the tax settings you've configured for items, customers, vendors, and transactions, so the numbers you see reflect how your account is set up. Now, go to the top right of the report and pick your date range. You can choose a preset like this month, last month, or this quarter, or set a custom start and end date to match your filing period exactly. As soon as you update the dates, the report refreshes automatically. There's no separate run button. If you have taxable activity in that window, your data will appear immediately. If you don't see any figures, it usually means there were no taxable transactions in that time frame, or the selected range doesn't align with when your activity occurred. Try matching the exact dates you use for filings, or expand the range slightly to confirm whether activity sits just outside the period you chose. On the page, you'll see totals organized by relevant tax components or jurisdictions, giving you a clear view of how much was collected from customers and what you're on the hook to remit. This makes it easy to reconcile your books and spot anything unusual, like a sudden change in tax collected compared to prior periods. A couple of quick pointers to keep your results accurate. Ensure your items and contacts have the correct tax treatment. Verify that your organization and currency settings are the ones you intend to report under, and be consistent about the date basis you use for filings. And there you go. You clicked Reports, chose the Taxes category, opened the tax summary, and selected your date range. Zoho Books did the rest automatically. That's all you need to run a tax summary report and review your tax position with confidence.